When working with the complex assemblies, large drawings, some demanding simulations, your workstation performance directly impacts your productivity. SOLIDWORKS Performance Test that allows you to benchmark your system against thousands of SOLIDWORKS users and evaluates how your hardware performs under real workload. Hi everyone, my name is Sandesh. I work as a product specialist application engineer in Conceptia Konnect. Today in this video, I talk about SOLIDWORKS Performance Test. Unlike third-party benchmarking tools that often focuses on a synthetic test, the SOLIDWORKS Performance Test that actually measures the SOLIDWORKS operations, providing results that are directly relevant to your CAD environment. Important, close all other applications before running the benchmark. The complete test typically takes around 30 minutes. Now let me show you how to run SOLIDWORKS Performance Test. Before starting, ensure your system is in clean state for the most accurate results. Step 1. Close all applications. Shut down any running software including web browsers, communication tools and background applications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Rebooting ensures that no unnecessary processes are consuming system resources. Step 3. Launch the benchmark tool by navigating to SOLIDWORKS Performance Test or SOLIDWORKS Rx. In that, click on the benchmark option. Step 4. Review the instructions. Read the information displayed on the SOLIDWORKS Performance Test dialog box. Step 5. Start the benchmark by clicking the Start option and follow any prompt that appears during the testing process. Step 6. Wait for completion. The benchmark will automatically run through several performance tests. Avoid using computer until this process is complete. Now let's understand the benchmark results. Once the test finishes, SOLIDWORKS provides a several performance scores that measures the different aspects of your workstations. The processor score evaluates CPU-intensive SOLIDWORKS operations such as rebuilding features, generating drawing views, and model calculations. A lower completion time indicates better performance. For example, if one workstation completes the test in half the time of another, it can generally rebuild the model nearly twice as fast. The key considerations here are: most SOLIDWORKS modeling operations are single-threaded. CPU clock speed often has a greater impact than core count. Upgrading to faster processor can significantly improve overall responsiveness and model rebuild performance. The graphics course measures viewport performance during model rotation, zooming and panning. Higher graphic performance results in smoother navigation and reduced lag when working with the larger assemblies and detailed models. The performance factors here are graphics card compatibility, CPU performance, and graphics driver optimization. Both GPU and CPU contribute to overall graphics performance. The I/O score measures storage performance by testing file opening speeds, file saving speeds, read and write operations. This benchmark reflects the performance of local storage devices such as SSDs and NVMe drivers. The important note here are: the I/O benchmark does not evaluate network performance, PDM system performance, and shared storage environments. As a result, these scores should not be used to predict a file performance across a network. Real-view graphics performance. This score is available only on the system equipped with the supported RealView capable graphics hardware. The benchmark measures performance with the RealView graphics enabled, including realistic shading, enhanced visual effects, advanced model rendering. Lower completion time indicates smoother viewing and manipulation of complex models, while RealView graphics is active. Performance factors. Primarily dependent on graphics card performance, also influenced by CPU capability. Comparing your results with other users. One of the most valuable features SOLIDWORKS Performance Test is the ability to compare your workstation against other users. Step 1. Open the result database. Click View Other Results after the benchmark is completed. Step 2. Access the SOLIDWORKS benchmark database. This database contains benchmark scores submitted by SOLIDWORKS users worldwide. Step 3. Apply filters. To make a meaningful comparisons, filter the results by desktop or laptop system type, SOLIDWORKS version, hardware specifications. Step 4. Compare performance. Analyze how your system performs relative to similar hardware configurations and identify potential upgrade opportunities. If you are looking for training and support, connect with us today.